Next question. Question number 11. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 kilometers per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 kilometers per hour. How far apart will be the two aeroplanes after 1.5 hours? Here we are talking about two aeroplanes. Starting point is same and same time. They start at same time. Okay. One aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due to north. Okay. One airplane goes to north direction and another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due to west at a speed of 1200 kilometers. Another aeroplane goes west direction. Okay, see directions. North, south, east, west. These directions are very important. Please remember. Here starting point is same. Okay, this is the airport. Okay, starting point is same and same time. Okay, an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due to north. Okay, it means it goes on north direction. Okay, it is speed of 1000 kilometers per hour. Okay, 1000 kilometers per hour. Speed is 1000 kilometers per hour. Okay, next aeroplane. Another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due to west, this direction. Okay, and speed of 1200 kilometers per hour. Okay, here we have to find distance between the two aeroplanes after 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, see, this is the airport. Let O is the starting point. One airplane goes north direction. Speed is 1000 kilometers per hour. Another aeroplane goes west direction. Here speed is 1200 kilometers per hour. Okay, we know speed equal to distance by time. Okay, here we need distance equal to speed into time. Okay, speed into time. First aeroplane, first aeroplane speed is, we know speed 1000 kilometers per hour. Okay, 1000 kilometers per hour into time. We have time 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. 1000 into 1 into 2. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Okay, 2 500 times 3 500 sir 1500. Okay, distance equal to 1500 kilometers. Okay, here distance equal to 1500 kilometers. Okay, in same way another aeroplane. Next another aeroplane. Speed is 1200 kilometers per hour. 1200 kilometers per hour into time. We know time 3/2. Okay. To 600 times to get 1200. 3 into 6 1800 kilometers. Okay. Here we have to find the distance between these two aeroplanes after 1 hour 13 minutes. Okay, let naming this figure A, B. Here A is the first aeroplane. Sorry, here OA. OA is travel due not from the starting point. Okay, here OB distance. OB travel due not from the west from the starting point. See here OA travel due to north from the starting point, and distance OB is the travel due west from the starting point. Is it clear? So this is the right angle triangle. So applying Pythagoras theorem. Okay, according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. OA square is 1500 whole square, OB square is 1800 whole square. 1500 whole square is 15 square is 225 0000. 18 whole square is 324 0000. Adding these two numbers 5 4 9 0000. Here we have to find AB. So AB equal to root over 5490000. It is equal to 100 into root of 549. 549 factorize into 3 table. 3 ones, 3 8s 9, 3 6 3. So this is 3. So 100 into root of 549, write it as 100 into root over 3 into 3 into 61. Okay, 100 into 3 root 61, 300 into 61 kilometers. Therefore, distance between two aeroplanes after 1.5 hour is 300 into root 61 kilometers.